you'll have to serve yourself, right? I think the same general rule applies as we have today, right? We're not going to limit you on how much food you can take, but please be mindful, right? Other people still need to take lunch. Don't take more food or dessert or drinks than you can finish. Take a little bit. If you want to come back for some more, that's fine, but don't waste food, yeah? Okay? Same. I think we're only going to have 2 refrigerators, 2 microwaves. The idea is they are turbo microwaves, so you gotta be real careful on what you put in. So I think it boils water in like 30 seconds, not 2 minutes. So if you put milk in there, only put
Yves, vamos na companhia.
like 10 seconds.
Copy baby veio.
Copy nini, Yves baby, copy nini. Copy nini. You bongo na company. Okay.
It's a big place. Cafeteria is big, your department is big, the hallways are big. If you make a mess, please tell somebody that they need to clean it or clean it up yourself because somebody might not notice for a really long time. Yeah? Make sense? You have a question, Christina?
Please, you can bring your food.
I don't know yet. So, there is a refrigerator over there. We might let people bring food. We might not. We don't know yet. We're still trying to figure that out. Because there's a lot of rules to bringing food, right? I don't want to turn into one of those places that says, okay, it's midnight, anything that's left in there goes straight into the trash. Because that's the way all other companies do. If you leave it, it's trash. Nobody's going to try and figure out, does this belong to you? Is this yours? If you leave it there, it's trash. When that happens to you, people tend to get really, really mad that you threw away your lunch bag. So I don't know if we want to do that yet, but we'll figure out here shortly. So we also have the microwaves and things like that, right? And we'll see how popular bringing your own lunch is. We're hoping to upgrade the food menu, right? So that we don't have to have people bringing all their own food, unless you have a special dietary restriction or special needs or something like that. We're going to try and upgrade our cafeteria menu to make sure that everybody's happy all the time so that you don't have to bring your food, right? Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Everybody take...
Unless you have you sick diabetes or you can't eat the food, you have to see. I mean, the money before you can bring your food.
It's also hard to
bring your food.
with these microwaves. We notice
And when you take the food too, si vous venez ici, il ne faut pas que vous allez amener manger à la maison.
Here, I'll make
Et
you.
puis quand vous allez prendre manger aussi, tu prends un peu, il ne faut pas prendre trop beaucoup de manger, puis tu vas mettre dans le sac.
C'est pas bien.
I'll
Tu
make you
prends
a
ce que
new.
tu peux manger.
Péché.
Et puis si tu n'as pas le sachet, tu peux aller prendre encore.
C'est ça, c'est du péché.
You bring the food, but you gotta bring enough food for everybody.
Il y aura du foufou ici. Il y aura du foufou là.
Non, pas du
Il y
foufou.
aura du foufou.
Pas du foufou.
You can definitely do that. Yeah. Okay, you ready for the next one? Yes. All right.
Yes.
We got
Yeah.
a little-
Yes. No, let go.
Il y a des pour goûter.
You say they don't have nothing to drink now?
No. Nothing.
We still need to get the
You
machine.
don't put your stomach here.
Yves. Nothing, let go.
Where are you going? Don't drink.
Tu vas où?
Don't drink from that. That water's not ready. Do not drink from that. It's not
No,
water.
but you just want to
There's
say.
literally a sign that says do not drink from that right now. Right? Okay, we ready?
Yes.
Like, we have so much more walking to do. Let's go.
Il y aura du foufou ici.
Non.
Where's your tour guide? We lost the tour guide. Okay. All right, so we saw, let's recap real quick. We saw the uniform room. The bathrooms and the locker rooms are right there. So all the bathrooms up there are inside of the locker rooms, both the men's and the ladies. Right? We know where the cafeteria is. So from here, we're going to go back down to the operations floor. This is where you're going to go find ENS, assembly, food, customer service. Yeah. So So we're gonna go this way. And just like we have to come upstairs to get to the operation, we have to go back downstairs.
Pastor, oh mãe, me dá pela mãe, dá teu filho com mãe, eu me limito. Mãe, não vai sentir lá, deixa eu ver. Wi-Fi.
So we got an elevator and we got the stairs. Some of you can take the elevator.
Bongo bino nyos ka wana. Bino nyos ka wana. Papa kusema inki. Yeah. On peut oublier, hein. Donc, ici, c'est faut venir avant, hein, si ça a cloqué, si c'est ici.
Yeah.
They will come here.
There's still more people in the elevator?
No, it's just 2 of us.
I'm gonna leave them behind. Alright. Alright, so I hear people, I don't know who that is. Okay. Alright, so now we're back on the first floor, okay? Very important. Whole first floor, all the bathrooms are right here. So if you need to find the bathroom, find the elevator or find the stairs. The bathrooms are all right down here. Let's go for a quick trip. Come on.
Très compliqué.
So you want to hold that door, make sure you don't smack into nobody. Alright, so the next
Papa
room
Jambon.
right over here, there's about 6 or 7 right over here. This suitcase right here to the right. So I know a lot of people ask about bathrooms. We don't have enough bathrooms, so now we have a lot more bathrooms.
Yo, kuna.
The only downside is you gotta walk really far to get to the bathrooms.
Yeah.
Alright. So this is the men's room.
Oh, ya toko, ya kitoko, eh.
Hey, don't use the bathrooms yet, okay?
No, yeah. Kosala langote.
Let's not share it on yet.
Okay. Tobi mara,
That's why there's no toilet paper. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright,
Thank you.
We'll have to wait for our ladies.
Lydia. Lydia, bye.
Come on.
Eh?
Let's go, ladies. Oh, I hope nobody's using the bathroom.
Oh, Baba Zakaria.
Come on, let's go.
Basa kwa sugi ba osuba ngapi na otaba ngoko? Lydia. Ah, on check quoi? On dit ne pisez pas, toi tu pisses.
Ça t'en va déjà.
Où va place au cloquet? Il y a coco.
Pas ça, Nini.
Il y a un cloquet. C'est très compliqué.
Still missing
C'est
some
un look, ouais. Mais bon, les athées. C'est ça. Il n'a pas de toko, bon.
So, this is the main hallway. So after you come down the stairs or you come off the elevator, this is the main hallway. This is how you get to all the big departments. Okay? That way is customer service. We'll go look at that in a minute. ENS and assembly, food and materials, warehouse and receiving is all that way. Okay? But who works in assembly? Who works in ENS? Well, we've got a lot of ENS and assembly. Right?
ENS.
Alright, so here is how you get to your department. As soon as you come down through the stairs, you're just gonna go right through this door right here. Okay? Come on.
Come on.
Let's go.
INS, oh, ensemble. Non, Henri, kitoko. T'as ma place à cloquer. Et belé.
Alright,
Siko batika system na bango wana.
You will see two things. If you work at ENS, your time clocks are right here at the
Okay. So Kosala ENS machine
Which
yango.
one you use, but if you're coming, you're going, please don't fight each other for time clocks. I know right now people are trying to go home, people are trying to clock in. We have 2 time clocks for every department, so you shouldn't have to fight about that. You will also see
Basali
stands
ndenge
right
za na
there.
manzo.
Same
C'est que
thing.
bilo muso ko le kanana likolo.
Food to go to ENS anymore. Like today, you need to go to
Basali
ENS
deko.
assembly, you have to wash your hands and food. So you don't have to do that anymore. You can come straight to ENS, or you can come straight to assembly, wash your hands, and get to work without having to do the food work. Okay? Alright, let's go this way.
Bongo kara ya Yaka la boya nini susu. Ah. Oh nini suna. ENS yango. Ta muso ba no lekao. Ke oyo zaka ENS. Ta bilo ka sika. No, ENS this. ENS.
So, if I can have everybody's attention, we are in ENS. So it's the same as ENS as we have over there. We have all of your dish machines right there. And assembly is on that side.
Yeah.
ENS is in the middle. Assembly goes down the outside. Behind me, we have the inside docks. These are where all the drivers are going to come on board. Today we only have 5 docks. Tomorrow we'll have 16 docks. The trucks will come up and offload here. Docks number 1 through number 6, all international. Okay? Dock 7 through 16 will be all domestic. So today, everything is mixed together. You got blue bags here, you got blue bags there, you got international here, you got international over there. You don't have to do that. All their drivers will go down that side, all the domestic drivers will go this side. So who works the dock? Anybody works the dock? Anybody works the dock? You work the dock? Okay. So when the carts come in, we have to open up all the doors and see what kind of cart this is, right?
Yeah.
So soda carts go over there to assembly. All the food carts go to these machines, and all the equipment and breakdown go to those machines over there. And we have one machine for glasses, same as we have in the kitchen. Any questions? Okay.
Yeah.
I think we'll stop right here. Alright, come on, we're ready to go. Alright, they're still doing some construction in there, so we'll just come over here and watch for the time being. I'm sorry. How you doing, Craig?
Doing okay?
Good to see you. Do trash and recycling. Tomorrow, we'll still do trash and recycling. Everything is inside of this room right here. So the green thing is the autoclave. That's where we're gonna cook all of our trash. That's the autoclave. And then we have 1, 2, 3 trash dumpsters. They're all right here. Today we have one that's outside, one that's inside, one over here, one over there. Everything goes to one place. So when we get all of our trash from international, we put it in the autoclave. When the autoclave's done, we put it in the trash. If we have domestic trash, we can just take it straight and dump it right into the compactor. This is where we also have our 2 blue balers. We'll recycle all of our cans and our plastic here at the same time. Yeah? The long silver thing, what, along the top or along the side?
The one that's right in front of us.
The long silver.
That has a green.
That is what we call an autoclave.
Oh, that's autoclave?
Yeah, the green one is an autoclave. So today we have to run a lot of autoclave because everything that comes in, we treat it as international. We have to burn it. But now that we have some space, if all the international comes in on 5 or 6 doors, I can just grab all that trash and only cook a little bit, not everything.